Hey, how's everybody doing? It's Marcos with South Bay Solar Cleaning here in beautiful, I would say sunny San Diego, but June has already blessed us with some June gloom, as you could tell. Kind of cloudy. It's actually nice for me. I won't be getting beat up too much by the sun today. So but wherever you are in the world, hope everybody's being safe and having a beautiful, as much as we can, beautiful year. We're gonna go ahead and show you some bird proofing. We're gonna be bird proofing these panels back here in the background. We have approximately 82 linear feet. Down in the description, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a simple way if you're doing this or starting brand new, new to bird proofing for solar panels. I'm gonna down in the I'll go ahead and put down how I figure out the linear feet without having to use a tape measure or anything like that. I just pretty much count the panels, and remember, you always want to be a little over, never want to be exact, because you might run into some problems. So you want to go ahead and I'm probably estimating about an extra 15 to maybe 20 linear feet extra, just in case. I don't know if it's windy right. If you guys hear the wind, sorry about that. It's getting a little breezy right now. But don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification sign. I hope you guys enjoyed this video showing you how we do solar panel bird proofing, South Bay Solar Cleaning style. So you guys sit back, enjoy this video, and we will be doing a time lapse. You're not having to watch every detail, make it more exciting for you guys. So again, if you enjoy this video, really appreciate the subscribe, hit that like button and hit that bell notification. Alrighty, you guys have a good one and enjoy the video.